Edge is excited to announce the all-new EZX, available now for 2019 through 2022 Ram Cummins applications. Now this module will work in both standard and high output applications and is a simple plug-and-play install connecting to a couple of sensors under the hood, and adds power that's adjustable on the fly through your factory steering wheel cruise control buttons. This will add up to 60 horsepower and 130 foot-pound of torque, which makes it great for a daily driver and awesome for a towing application. You've got total control over that power, how it's applied, better fuel mileage while you're towing that heavy weight, big fifth wheel, whatever it might be. The EZX is perfect for that application. But to go along with all that added power, we have also developed something brand new to the diesel market with the smartphone app available for the EZX to be downloaded to give you full feature control over your Ram Cummins. The app allows you access to your power levels, that you can also modify the throttle pedal sensitivity in each level so you can fine-tune that performance to your driving style. Now within that smartphone app, we can also calibrate your tire size, so your speedometer will read correctly up to a 40-inch tire. We can modify your gear ratio. You can set your TPMS settings, the thresholds for your tire pressure sensors. We've got a button recall that will remember your exhaust brake and tow haul settings when you shut the truck off. Every time you restart the truck, it will remember what setting you had the truck in previous. We've also got the ability to turn on a turbo timer that will display the EGT on the dash when you turn the key off and let the truck idle till you get down to a set temperature or a set time that you control through the app. We've got the ability to adjust your max cruise control, keep your fog beams on with your high beams. We've also got engine cold protection, which allows the power to stay stock until your engine comes up to operating temperatures. We can display your gear on the factory dash. Now this is a feature that Ram gives you, but only when you're in your manual mode of the transmission. With this feature, we can set that so that you can see your gears whether you're in manual mode or regular driving mode. We've also got the ability to do a manual DPF regen, and then we can also read and clear your codes all through your smartphone app. This is available through the App Store for both Android and iOS systems. You can even download the app prior to purchasing the device and run through a demo mode to kind of get a feel for how that app works. The module will install in about an hour. We tap into a couple of sensors under the hood. We need to run one cable through the firewall so that we can tap into the accelerator pedal position sensor and then into the CAN bus line, and then everything will be controlled through the steering wheel for your power levels and then through the smartphone app. Now again, this is available for 2019 through 2022 Ram Cummins standard and high output applications, and is perfect for that daily driver and the towing application that's looking for a little bit better throttle response, better turbo spool up. This can even improve your fuel mileage in both daily driving and towing applications. This can be run as a standalone unit just as you see it here, but it also pairs really well with our Insight CTS3 monitor if you want to be able to watch what's going on under the hood, see the EGTs and the temperatures and what's going on with that Cummins and that big transmission that's behind it. So if you want to learn more about the all-new EZX, please visit us at edgeproducts.com.